guys, I am Arian Rose. So now, let's cover Cartesian plane and the distance formula. Cartesian plane is represented by these axes. We have the x and the y-axis. Positive values of x are over here on the right, and negative values of x are over here in the left, like our normal number line. Y-axis is similar, except that it's vertical. So positive values are up here, and negative values are down here. The intersection point is where the origin is. 0, 0. So knowing that this side is positive and this side is positive, people usually call it quadrant 1. We have positive x's and positive y's. So the sign used is plus, plus, indicating that this side is positive and this side is positive. So over here in the left is quadrant 2. We have negative x's and positive y's. So the sign used is minus, plus, indicating that this is negative x and this is positive y. Down here is quadrant 3. We have negative x's and negative y's. So the sign used is minus, minus, indicating that this is negative x and this is also negative y. So over here is quadrant 4. We have positive x's and negative y's. So the sign used is plus, minus, indicating that this is positive x and this is negative y. So remember that the formula is always x, comma, y when you're referring to the points in the Cartesian plane. So always remember that in every ordered pairs, the x always comes first before the y. So there's some formula you're going to need to know in dealing with the Cartesian plane. One of them is the distance formula. Distance formula is the formula used in computing the distance between 2 points given in a Cartesian plane. So if we have 2 points, x sub 1, y sub 1, and x sub 2, y sub 2, the distance between these 2 points is the square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. So this is our official distance formula. But the ordered here, x sub 2, x sub 1, and y sub 2, y sub 1, is not really important in just being consistent. And by that I mean, you can have x sub 1 minus x sub 2 here, but that means you'd need y sub 1 minus y sub 2 here. So whatever numbers you lead up here with needs to be the numbers that lead up in the difference of the y or vice versa. So for an instance, we have value of, let's say, 1, 2, and another value of 2, 4. So in the first ordered pair, this is x sub 1 and this is y sub 1. So while in the other ordered pair, this is x sub 2 and this is y sub 2. So first, let us put it in the graph. So since 1 is in the x-axis and 2 is in the y-axis, the point is located here. 1, 2. And next is, since 2 is located in x axis and 4 is located in y-axis, the location of the point is here. So after plotting the point, let us now compute for the value of the distance between these two points. So our distance formula is the square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. So the square root of the value of x sub 2, which is 2, minus the value of x sub 1, which is 1, squared, plus the value of y sub 2, which is 4, minus the value of y sub 1, which is 2, squared. So the square root of 2 minus 1 is 1, squared, plus 4 minus 2 is 2 squared. So in this case, you have to multiply 1 to itself, same way in 2. So the square root of 1 times 1 is 1 plus 2 times 2 is 4. So the square root of 1 plus 1 is 5. So the distance between these 2 points is the square root of 5. So, for better understanding, here's another example. So, if we have points of 2, 1, and another value of 5, 5, so this is x sub 1, and this is y sub 1, this is x sub 2, and this is y sub 2. First, put it in the graph. Since 2 is in the x-axis and 1 is in the y-axis, the point is located here. 2, 1. And in the other ordered pair, since 5 is located in the x-axis and 5 is located in the y-axis, the point is located here. 5, 5. So after plotting, let us now proceed in computing the distance between these 2 points. So our distance formula is the square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. So the square root of the value of x sub 2 is 5 minus the value of x sub 1, which is 2 squared, plus the value of y sub 2, which is 5 again, minus the value of y sub 1, which is 1 squared. So the square root of 5 minus 2 is 3 squared, plus 5 minus 1 is 4 squared. Same way, in this case, you have to multiply 3 with itself. Same way in 4, you have to multiply it with itself also. So the square root of 3 times 3 is 9, plus 4 times 4 is 16. So the square root of 9 plus 16 is 25. Since 25 is a perfect square, it has an... So the square root of 25 is 5. So the distance between these 2 points is 5. So there you have it, guys. So thank you for watching. I hope you've learned something from me about Cartesian plane and distance formula. Thank you. see.